How to send a message to Roblox Support. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be demonstrating the steps to effectively communicate with the Roblox Support. It is a straightforward and efficient procedure, so please pay attention. Firstly, I want to clarify that although I am demonstrating on a computer, the process remains the same whether you're using a mobile phone or any other device. To begin, open your web browser and search for Roblox Support. Once you locate the support page, enter your birth date as requested. Proceed to input your username, name, email address, confirm your email, and describe the issue you're encountering. Select the device you're using, for example Xbox or a PC or anything, and choose the relevant category for the assistance. Even if the interface is in the different language like Portuguese, in my case the steps are identical. You may also choose the secondary category if needed. Provide a detailed explanation of your problem to ensure that the Roblox can assist you effectively. After including all the necessary information, submit your query by clicking the send button, and this will send your message to the Roblox Support. So this was all about how to send a message to Roblox Support. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your leadership and support.